Replacing your doors can transform your home's aesthetics, enhance security, improve energy efficiency, and even increase property value. If you're looking for door replacement services in Birmingham, finding the right provider is crucial for achieving the best results. Here's a guide to help you choose the best service for your needs. Assess your specific needs before you start your search. Identify what you need from the door replacement service. Are you replacing an exterior door, interior door, or a specialty door like French or sliding glass doors? Consider the purpose. Do you need improved security, noise reduction, or a specific design style? Listing your requirements up front will help you communicate clearly with potential providers and narrow down your options. Look for local experience and expertise. Choosing a local service provider with experience in Birmingham's housing market and climate is beneficial. Experienced companies understand the unique challenges of the region, such as weather conditions that may impact door materials. Look for a company with a strong track record in door installation and replacement. Online reviews and word-of-mouth recommendations from neighbors or friends can be valuable in assessing their reputation. Check for proper licensing and insurance. Ensure the service provider is licensed and insured to perform door replacement work in Birmingham. Licensing indicates that they meet the required standards and have undergone proper training. Insurance is equally critical, as it protects you from liability in case of accidents or damage during the installation process. Never hesitate to ask for proof of licensing and insurance before proceeding with a contractor. Examine their range of products and materials. A reputable door replacement service should offer a wide selection of materials and designs to match your home's architectural style and your functional needs. From durable steel and fiberglass doors to classic wooden models, having access to multiple options ensures that you can find the perfect fit. High-quality materials improve the lifespan and performance of your door, reducing the need for frequent repairs. Prioritize energy efficiency options. With rising energy costs, homeowners are increasingly looking for ways to improve energy efficiency. Doors with proper insulation and high energy efficiency ratings can significantly impact your heating and cooling costs. Ask potential service providers about their energy-efficient options and the types of insulation used in their products. Look for doors with ENERGY STAR certifications and low U-factor ratings, which measure thermal efficiency. Request a detailed estimate and compare costs. Cost is always a consideration, but don't base your decision solely on price. Request estimates from multiple door replacement services in Birmingham, ensuring that each quote includes a detailed breakdown of costs, such as materials, labor, and any potential additional fees. This allows for a more accurate comparison and helps you avoid hidden charges. Aim for a balance between quality and affordability to ensure long-term value. Check warranties and after-sales support. A reliable door replacement company should stand behind its work and offer warranties on both the products and installation. Review the terms and conditions of the warranty, including coverage period and what aspects are included, e.g., hardware, glass panels, weather stripping. Strong after-sales support, such as responsive customer service for repairs and adjustments, ensures peace of mind for your investment. Read customer reviews and testimonials. Customer feedback is one of the most insightful ways to evaluate a door replacement service. Check reviews on reputable platforms like Google, Yelp, and the Better Business Bureau, BBB. Positive reviews and testimonials highlight a company's strengths, while negative feedback can indicate potential red flags. Pay attention to the company's response to complaints, as this reflects their commitment to customer satisfaction. Ask about customization capabilities. If you have specific design preferences, such as color, style, or unique features, inquire about the company's customization options. Custom doors can elevate the look of your home and offer tailored functionality. Be sure to discuss lead times, pricing, and whether their team handles custom installations efficiently. Schedule a consultation. Finally, schedule a consultation with your chosen door replacement service. This meeting allows you to ask questions, evaluate their professionalism, and get a sense of their customer service. A face-to-face discussion can clarify your needs, expectations, and the scope of work, ensuring everyone is on the same page before work begins. Choosing the best door replacement services in Birmingham involves careful research and consideration. By assessing your needs, verifying qualifications, comparing quotes, and prioritizing customer service, you can find a reliable provider to transform your home with a beautiful and functional new door.